It's summer and it's very warm outside and we all need a refreshing salad. But Julie and I are going to share with you our favorite zucchini salad. Let's start. Okay, so all we need is 6 zucchinis. I'm going to use 4 radishes, a bouquet of arugula, 2 tablespoons of roasted pine nuts, 2 fresh limes, fresh pepper, sea salt, and the best olive oil you can find. The only thing that's missing is some fresh mint leaves, and I'm going to take you with me to cut some from my herb garden. So I like to grow my own herbs. I have some aloe vera, some basil, fresh basil, some beautiful little tomatoes. Look at these. Some sage, some lemon verbena, which we call Louisa. I have some za'atar. This here is the za'atar. And then some thyme and fresh mint, which is blooming right now. So I'm going to cut the mint for our salad, our wonderful fresh zucchini salad. Let's go. I'm going to use a peeler to peel my zucchinis and also to peel the zucchini itself. You'll see in a second. So I peeled my zucchini and now I am peeling the zucchini itself. But Julie always helps me in the kitchen. She does. She knows that she's not allowed to touch the food, but I need help. So look at this. The layers of zucchini are transparent. They're so thin, they come out like fresh pasta. Zucchini is one of the best vegetables to do so many great recipes with. Make sure you grate the zucchini until you start seeing the seeds. That's where you stop. You don't want the seeds in the salad, just the meat. I'm going to slice the radish in very, very thin slices. Something like this. I have here 4 radishes. My arugula bouquet. I'll just cut the little sticks, the end of the arugula, patchouli. My fresh mint that I cut from my garden together with patchouli. So I'm going to cut the leaves, the mint leaves, into the salad. It's easier like this. I love the smell of fresh mint. It's so good in your tea, in your salads. Mint is delicious. Now for the seasoning. The juice of 2 fresh limes. What I love about them is that they have no seeds. So it's so easy to squeeze into your salad. I love fresh limes. It's up to you. I like 2 limes, but if it's too tart for you, you can always use the juice of 1 lime. There we go. Another half to go. Perfect. olive oil. I love a lot of olive oil, but it's up to you. So I think for me it's like 3 tablespoons. You can use whatever you like. Fresh pepper. 1 full teaspoon of sea salt. And again, you can always correct the seasoning. And last but not least, the pine nuts. So these are roasted pine nuts that I pre-roasted on a pan. Very easy to roast. There you go. Oops. So this is my fresh zucchini salad with arugula leaves, with radishes, with fresh mint, and with pine nuts. Julie, are you ready for dinner? Bon appetit.